If you're trying to share your location on your iPhone, but the button is grayed out, unavailable, or just not working, here's exactly how to fix it in seconds. Open your settings, scroll down and tap on privacy and security. Tap location services at the very top, and make sure the master toggle is turned on. While you're on the screen, scroll down to the Find My app. Tap it and make sure allow location access is set to while using the app and that precise location is toggled on. If your Share My Location button is grayed out, a screen time restriction is likely blocking it. Head back to your main settings page. Tap Screen Time and scroll down to Content Privacy Restrictions. Tap on Location Services and make sure this is set to allow changes. If you don't use these restrictions, save yourself the headache and just toggle Content Privacy Restrictions entirely off at the top with the master toggle. Still having issues? It's time to reset your location data. Go to Settings, tap on General, scroll to the bottom and hit Transfer Reset iPhone. Tap Reset. Then choose Reset Location and Privacy. This wipes out any hidden bugs. Finally, if you've done all this and still glitching, just restart your phone. A simple reboot clears out system bugs that could have been running in the background for weeks. I hope this helps, and if it does, please hit like and subscribe. Thank you.